Syrian Christian community of Kerala is reckoned amongst the oldest Christians in the world. नाम सुन के लगता है कि ये सीरिया से हैं, but इनके roots are in Kerala और इनके cuisine में दुनिया भर के regions के influences हैं। शेफ जोस बार के कुनाल के लिए सीरियन क्रिश्चियन थाली तैयार कर रहे हैं।
The thali concept as such is something that has come from elsewhere. We used to eat traditionally in banana leaves, which is similar to a thali, and which we call the sadhya. That was the origin of this place, where the Nambudiri cuisine or the cuisine of the palaces or the it was purely vegetarian. Today they are eating that in the form of a thali as well. Same even in Syrian Christian, there is no culture as a thali. But in this Brandon Hotel where you're sitting now, we have evolved, or we have made a contemporary adaptation of the thali to form into a Syrian Christian thali.
Actually, you are quite right, chef. अब तक मैंने जो रिसर्च करी है, मुझे भी यही पता चला कि जो शायद सबसे पहले फॉर्म ऑफ थाली थी वो पत्ते ही थे, और जो ये थाली शब्द है इसका जो मतलब है वो है थल, यानी कि स्थल, यानी उस एक जगह जहाँ पर खाना परोसा जाता है, साथ ही साथ पात्र, यानी कि कोई भी वेसल जिसमें सर्व किया जाता है। तो एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पर एक पात्र में जब खाना सर्व करते हैं, वहीं से थाली का ओरिजिन हुआ। This is gorgeous. यहाँ कोई सीक्वेंस है कि मुझे कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है?
You will start with, please keep the rice out.
Okay.
And
there's a starter here.
Starter, yeah. That's
and there's
it.
an onion salad.
Yeah, this is believed to be originated from the Portuguese influence. An onion just crushed with toddy vinegar or the coconut vinegar, and you can eat together.
Chef, ये क्या है?
This is, we call it the cutlet, which is an Indian version of it. Unlike in normal cases, this meat is cooked first, then minced and mixed with, good old days it used to be mixed with raw bananas, which is a long banana. The big banana, which we call the Nendrin.
Nendrin variety of banana.
Today some people mix potato also, but the taste comes from the Nendrin banana.
जो सीरियन क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी का खाना है केरला का, कोई आइकॉनिक डिशेस है?
So, well, the best iconic dish I would say in this is this the duck mapas. The reason why duck mapas is so special, this duck is not a broiler duck or anything. This duck is from the backwater. The duck is fed with a thing that is in the water or from the paddy fields, and it is living always in water. That makes the duck a special flavor.
It's very good. Appam.
Please eat that with the stew, which is the first extract of coconut milk again with chicken and vegetable.
Very nice.
This is called the lace appam. It has got this golden brown lace all around and a very soft center, which is made with fermented rice batter. Fermentation is done with toddy.
Chef, the food is so good. What next? What should I eat?
Next is you eat a little bit of rice, you put a little bit of this red fish fury curry.
This is a fish curry?
Fish curry, which is called pattichada.
Pattichata.
The beauty is that there is kudampuli, which is something similar to the kokum. Which has got immense value for your digestion as well as for the prevent the unnecessary absorption of fat.
I must say, what a stark contrast it is. The fish flavor is a little sour, at the same time a little smoky towards the end.
You'll also put a little bit of this thing called the moru kachi, the buttermilk. It is a probiotic as well. It's just warmed, it's not boiled.
It's true to say that जो सीरियन क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी का खाना है उसके अंदर टॉडी विनेगर का इस्तेमाल ज़्यादा होता है?
It is. Toddy vinegar, the beauty is that in the body it converts into an alkali, although it is acid. So it maintains the pH of our blood correctly.
You know, साउथ इंडियन फूड या केरला क्यूजीन के नाम पे या केरला थाली के नाम पे मैंने बहुत खाना खाया है, लेकिन पहली बार है कि एक थाली के अंदर इतना स्टार्क डिफरेंस है दैट हर एक डिश दूसरे से बहुत अलग है। जो फिश है वो खट्टी है, एट द सेम टाइम स्मोकी है बिकॉज ऑफ कोडम्पुली, और वहीं पर जो चिकन स्टू है काफ़ी सटल है। वहीं पर जो ये जो टेम्पर्ड योगर्ट है ये खट्टा है, एट द सेम टाइम बहुत ही मज़ेदार अनियन और करी लीव्स का फ्लेवर आ रहा है। सिंपल, वेरी यूनिक, और सब्जी है अगेन समथिंग वेरी सटल, और जो डक है उसका बहुत ही डीप एक रोबस्ट फ्लेवर है। Cutlet was again very robust, and rice of course has a bite. This is really good.
Yeah. Now the most sought after thing has come. The dessert.
Is that the dessert?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. So this is a unique dessert. Please open up the banana.
Okay.
Put it here. Then make it a little mash.
Oh, I have to mash it?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's a bit messy.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
But it's a fun. Put little yogurt.
Okay.
Put this great thing called the palm honey. It is made of thickened toddy, which is unfermented.
Wow. जो palm tree के सुबह सुबह sap निकालते हैं, उस sap को आप boil करके thicken करते हैं और ऐसा बनाते हैं.
The glucose level of this is believed to be having little lesser than in normal any syrup that you otherwise get, maple syrup or any other syrup.
Wow.
Because it's a plant origin.
This is so good. You know, it's like you having a dessert, लेकिन जो sweetness है, वो आ रही है आपके banana से, and second, palm honey है. So absolutely 100% natural sweetness और आपको ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि चीनी की ज़रूरत है. So chef, whenever you are done, because मेरा पेट भर गया, I would love to learn duck makpas from you.
Let's go. Basically, all cooking in Kerala will have to be done only in coconut oil. We don't need to go very, very brown. We need to go only
हल्का sauté करना, lightly.
Before putting the dry masala powder, we put green chilies, then your ginger. Shall I put the
duck?
Duck here.
अच्छा, जो आप duck इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, it is along with the skin.
Obviously, because the best fat of the duck is just beneath the skin.
Yeah.
So if you lose that, you had it.
Yeah.
In fact, the taste of the duck is from the fat.
Yeah. So chef, अब इसे हमें पकाना है, लेकिन मंद आंच पे, slow आंच पे, for a longer time, ताकि duck tender हो जाए.
Can you get me the rest of the second extract of coconut milk? The last extract of coconut milk we never put now.
Yeah, always towards the end.
Yeah,
Finishing.
And then after that, no more boiling.
Yeah.
If you boil it, it will curdle. Curdling means the oil will separate. Let's keep it this way, closed for at least an hour at very low temperature.
Chef, Cochin is a port city.
Yes.
You know, obviously हमारे पीछे भी वो एक खूबसूरत सा port है. Also chef, मैं वो notice कर रहा हूँ कि वो Chinese nets है वहाँ पर.
Yes, yes. The Chinese came and established it up some centuries ago, long before any of these British or French or Dutch colonizers came.
Okay. Chef, लगता है हमारी duck तैयार.
Yeah, the duck is almost done.
So this is the thick coconut milk.
Yeah, and now switch off the tap.
Ah, that's the key.
That's the king. No more of boiling it. It will thicken a little more as it sits, but never ever boil it again. And garnish it with a little bit of fried small onions.
Curry leaves.
Curry leaves. So it's done. A good mapas for you. A gift from Kerala.
Thank you.